Testing, 1, 2, 3. So, you guys, I have been on this YouTube journey for quite some time now, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been challenging. I've also have had my journey on different social media platforms where I have had major success. And one thing that I will say is most of my success, no matter what that looks like, because success is different for different people, but most of my success came from me marketing whatever I was trying to sell, whatever I was trying to promote from social media. And I really think the only thing that differentiated me from individuals who got some success from individuals who were not getting success is at one point in time in my life, whatever I was putting my energy in, I was consistent with that. And what that meant was I was passionate about it. I was posting every day. I was constantly talking about it. I was engaging in the comments, engaging in the DMs. Anybody that was asking me any questions, I was knowledgeable on what exactly I was trying to, whatever my sole purpose was, whatever my goal was, whatever I was trying to promote, sell. Um, However, I'm really excited because I want to tell you guys about a newer platform called Threads. Now, if you haven't heard of Threads, Threads is, what's the best way for me to think about it? Think of it as a Twitter for Instagram. It's a really dope platform. I like it a lot because one, all I have gotten is positivity from it. I have been able to grow really quickly. Granted, there have been parts in the season, because I've had it for about a year now, where I have, let's say for instance, was posting consistently and I would see growth, but I wasn't seeing growth to the point where, let's just say you get what you put out. I wasn't putting in enough effort. I didn't even know I could have this type of success. However, what I want to do is I want to show you guys the success that I've had for the past few days. I posted this post, you guys. I posted this post, and this post got 10 million freaking views, okay? 10 million views. And it's so crazy because I was in the same exact library in a different room when I had found out that the post had got like 33,000 views. And it's funny because one of my homegirls, she came up there to meet me just so we could bounce business ideas. And I'm like, girl, I'm like, this just shot up from 33,000 to five. It was like almost at 500,000. I said, since I've been sitting here and I've only been here for like an hour. And she was like, oh my God, Nay, that is so great. And I was just like, I am like in awe. So I went in and I want to walk you guys through the process. I went in and I pinned my free ebook, my guide. I went in and I pinned this to the comments. So it was right under the post since I seen that it was trending. And I was able to generate over 600 leads. That means 600 people downloaded my free guide, guys. No, I did not make any sales. No, I did not make any money from that, but that was not my intention. I provided free value, and it's good value. You know, this is a real workbook that is going to actually help you start your social media, start your content creation journey. This is actual content, actual content. This is actual valuable information from seasoned content creators, real true gems in here that walks you through the process, shows you and helps you get a better understanding of what exactly this world is like. It also helps you figure out what your brand identity is. Who are you going to represent? Who are you going to be? You know, what is your, whatever you're going to be about? What is that going to look like? You know, who are you going to be talking to? Who is your target audience? It has area for you to write extra notes, you know, when you get to brainstorming your ideas. It teaches you different strategies on how to monetize. I'm going to put this in a binder and stuff and show you guys how to really utilize your journal. But this has real good information. It talks about a posting schedule, why this is important, because when you are a content creator, like it may look easy, like, oh, they're just shooting a video, working from home. Like, yeah, that's that's part of it. But there are real hours and time that goes in this stuff to make this stuff happen. Like people are in here putting in work. It's a different type of work, but you still work hard. Don't ever think it's that easy. Um, like you're not going to do nothing and see results. You definitely have to put in effort. It teaches you about a posting schedule and how to be organized so this doesn't become a burden on you, you know, and you can stay organized and be able to consistent, like as if you were starting any other business or working any job. This talks about mastering the consistency aspect of it and posting as a content creator. Um, it's just really, really good information, guys. This helps you identify your niche. You know, it asks questions like, what are your passions and areas of expertise that you'd like to focus on as a content creator? Who is your target audience and what are their interests, needs, and pain points? You know, how can your unique perspective and content cater to your chosen niche and your audience? These are things that you need to think about, because the more specific that you get with who your actual audience is, you will be able to really narrow down their pain points and find their problems and create solutions That is how you make sales. Now, creating your content strategy, it helps you think of what type of content do you want to create. Do you want to make videos? Do you want to make blog posts? Podcasts? What do you plan to create? What is your posting schedule going to be like? How will you ensure consistency and delivery of the content? Look at your life and what you have going on right now, and how can you really brainstorm? And people say, I don't have the time. That's one of the main excuses. How can you make the time to make this happen? You guys, 600 people downloaded this book that can help you start this very same journey. That means that those 600 people, I now have their email. Now I have a connection with them that is off of just social media. Email marketing is one of the biggest ways people are making money. Do you buy something right away when you first see somebody and don't know they exist? Probably not. You have to earn trust, right? There has to be some type of trust that's earned. And then you invest your money in there. Email marketing, there is a whole nother way to make sales. Like, there's a process to this. You have to learn how to get your target audience to trust you, and one way is to start providing value. And if they take advantage of free value, if you're anything like me, you'd be like, oh, well, I know if I'm paying, they're going to really hit me with that splat. Now, this right here, what are your initial monetization goals as a content creator? Do you want to generate ad revenue? Maybe that might be, you having a YouTube and you posting videos and getting paid off of, people watching those little ads for a little bit, and get the ad revenue. What about affiliate marketing? Maybe you want to go more so the influencer style. Maybe you like fashion like me and you have an Amazon store and you want to put together style looks, and be a virtual stylist, and you want to show people how they can put together a cute fit on a budget via Amazon, and then you post your links and you can generate money that way. Maybe you want to do sponsored content, get brand deals, and brands will actually pay you to make videos. Some people do UGC, it's so many different ways. You might want to do drop shipping, and it's so many ways to make money, you guys. Have you considered long-term monetization strategies such as merchandise sales or digital product creation, ebooks, videos, something that you make one time and can be bought over and over again? That opens you up to time freedom, you guys. How will you maintain the authenticity and trust of your audience while exploring various monetization avenues? How are you going to be authentic and get the people to trust you? How are you going to be able to generate sales that way? How are you going to be able to make your money that way? That could look like maybe you get paid just to make content online at YouTube. Maybe you come out with a product or a service you can offer. Maybe you're a psychiatrist and, you went from a self-help tips to, oh, people love this information. Now I can make an ebook. Now I can do a podcast. Now I can create an actual book. It's so many ways to go with this. And I need you guys to take advantage of this free ebook, this free guide, this free workbook that I've taken the time out to actually create to help you guys, because I truly do want you guys to experience more time freedom. Like, I have so much valuable information from my journey. Also, I even have a financial literacy book. I have an online business, how to start an online business book. And I'm not saying this because I want you to feel like I'm trying to sell you, because that's not where I'm going with this. I want you to start with what's free and actually apply it and see if you see results. I would love for you guys to tell me in the comments if you downloaded this ebook. I'm going to definitely leave the link. If you downloaded this, and how has it affected your content creation journey? How has it assisted you? What other questions do you guys have? And I'll make another video answering those questions, and hopefully you guys can get a taste of what this is like. I'm going to also show you guys a little bit of my journey, because I've been screen recording, just so you guys could have proof, because people like receipts, and I'm not mad at them, because it's a lot of people on this internet doing things that, probably shouldn't be doing. It's a lot of people out here scamming, taking advantage of people. I've been taken advantage of, other people have been taken advantage of, and it's not a good feeling. And when you come from, and I don't mean to say this in a mean way, but if like you struggle with the lack mindset, if you struggle with certain fears, that will definitely have you going in the direction of not investing or not even attempting, because you don't want to be taken advantage of. And I feel that, I understand that. So I figured the most I can do is I can show you better than I can tell you, because whether you get something for free or whether you pay for something, it still all depends on if you're going to do the work. This is valuable information for the free. Everybody be like, nothing's free, nothing's free. Why can't something be free? It should help me. Why can't it help you? I mean, yeah, I got stuff that costs, because it's levels to this, As you develop and as you want more for yourself, you'll start investing in yourself, because you're going to realize you are your best investment. I know that we in that mindset, maybe some people say it, like my mom used to be like, don't take nothing because nothing's free. Everybody's always going to want something. It's a price. It is. It's a price to stay where you are and not get where you want to be. It's a price for that. And it's the price for, if you take the free content, yeah, you might like me. You might be like, she knows her stuff. She's worth the investment, and you might invest in yourself with me or go elsewhere. I don't know, but I want y'all to get this online money. Okay? I want y'all to get this online money. I'm gonna show y'all how to use this. If you do not follow me, I want you guys to follow me on Instagram. My name is Styled, STYLD, period, by BY, nay, NAI. Hit me up on Instagram, y'all. But I don't want to make this video too long. Hopefully you guys got the message. If so, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're turning on your notifications so you will be notified when I drop a video. And I look forward to y'all learning and growing with me.